Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. I actually bought this from a gentleman I bought, I think, about 4 cars from. He restored the car about 2 years ago. I actually sold this car about 1.5 years ago, but great car. Original RM Roadrunner, 4-speed car, 3-3, nice little cam to it. Just a good car. I sold it to a gentleman who was down in Tennessee. Like I say, he's had it about 1 year, 1.5 years. Hasn't put but about 500 or 600 miles on the car. And I'll tell you, good car, guys. You can see it's finished in the B5 blue. It's got the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. It's got the black performance hood striping. Nice set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with those are American Racing salt flat special wheels. And really just a good looking car. Car runs and drives out excellent, nice and tight. Like I say, just a good car. A lot of your trim and stuff's original. This car's only got 71,000 original miles on it. I believe they changed that front bumper. I think their rear bumper's original, but I think that's a new front bumper. This car's a factory N96 air grabber hood car, and it's also an original D21 4-speed car. Paint's nice, interior's nice. Other than a couple little stone packs and some touch-up marks, there's not a whole lot to really, nitpick on the car. You see that dash is nice in there. The glass is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape. Again, you can see a couple, touch-up marks on it. But good car. The rear glass is in great shape. Good solid body on it. You can see it's got the original taillight bezels. You can kind of pick at those a little bit. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Touch-up mark there. Again, I'm not trying to pick it apart. We sell so many of these things sight unseen. I like you to know they're not perfect, man. I've sold over 6,000 of these cars, man. Not these, Roadrunners, but 6,000 classic cars, and I've never seen a perfect one yet. But I don't buy them, guys, unless they're nice. This is a nice car. Not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 69 date-coded 3-3 in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. They have upgraded to electronic ignition, power steering, power brakes. Again, factory 4-speed car, factory N96 air grabber hood car. Mopar radiator in it. Your original fender tag. Nice car, man. Pretty car. So you can kind of nitpick the A-pillar chrome there. Original mirror, that's a remote mirror. Door handles look new. Bucket seats, which is actually rare. Hurst, it's got the Hurst shifter in it. 4-speed, looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Steering wheel's nice, dash is nice. 71,462 on the odometer. Tach does work, AM radio works, blower motor works, heck, even the reverse light works, parking brake works. It's dual exhaust, it's got the correct chrome tips, it's an 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. The guy I bought it from actually owns a body shop. That's, when I say that, the original guy that I bought it from, he actually restores old cars. You can see it's all body color in the trunk. It's done nice. Really nicely done. It does have frame connectors on it. Got it up in the air, got some pictures of the floors and stuff for you. Car's nice and clean underneath. New cars up there. You can see our 51 Chevrolet just come in. New Mach 1 just come in. We'll get those posted just as soon as we can. Little interior lights are working, dash pad's nice. Gauges are nice and clear. Again, same thing on this side, and kind of nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. Good running 383, guys. Car hits the road real nice, shifts out good, clutch is good. Little lobe to the cam in there.
They acknowledge that Medicare for all is going to require.
Tach works. Again, your parking brake does work. Backup lights work. Give it a little rev. Radio works. Can you hear that? Put it up in reverse there, Nathan. Reverse light works. Shifter. Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, also our YouTube page. Or you can kind of do it the old-fashioned way, guys. Just pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Turn signals on, Nathan. It's a good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.